Welcome back. We are back once again with Let's Get Social, where we strive to tell you something new and interesting every time. Today we will catch up with that microblogging site where you can share anything and everything and the security issues related to it.
So you love blogging, but are you more interested in sharing photos, videos and links than long text-based posts? Well, you surely must have heard about this, but allow us to tell you something more about this microblogging service Tumblr and its new two-factor authentication feature. Take a look.
Do you love writing? So much so that you can put a several thousand word opus about everything and anything that catches your eye? Then sorry, Tumblr is not the place for you. Blogs on Tumblr are better suited for sharing photos, videos and links than heavy texts. Tumblr, which debuted in 2007, is part microblogging, part social networking. Tumblr sits somewhere near between Twitter and a traditional blog. However, there are no as such length restrictions on Tumblr posts, but the site encourages short updates. So, if you want to share a moving picture of kids playing on the street as quickly and easily as possible, then Tumblr is the place to do it. And other Tumblr users who like such moving picture can follow you as well. You can use Tumblr to blog about anything you want, be it humor, fashion, design, art and other specialized subjects. Just like Twitter, users must follow a Tumblr blog to keep up with it. And similar to Facebook newsfeed, the Tumblr dashboard shows posts from all your followed blogs. Also, Tumblr makes link blogging easy and you can have it all feed automatically to your main blog sidebar. The reason why Tumblr images spread quickly across the web is its reblog tool. Simply click reblog on a Tumblr post you like and the post will be published to your own Tumblr for your readers to see. One feature that makes Tumblr stand out is that it divides up posts by type like text, photo, quote, link, chat, audio and video. Last week saw Tumblr joining the rank of other top tech companies to make the site more secure with the addition of the two-factor authentication. This option is available within the blogging services settings section. With the new process in place, users would be required to put in two keys to log in their Tumblr dashboard. One key would be a user's password while the other would be their cellular phone, with both being mandatory to access the account. This two-factor authentication is SMS based, in which Tumblr sends a code in a text message to users' mobile phone each time they want to log in. So, what do you think? Try it and let us know what are your thoughts on this long-lost cousin of its other buzzword counterparts.
And now take a look at the top 5 most viewed videos by Indian audiences in various categories.
Another star kid makes his debut in Tinseltown. The official trailer of Heropanti garnered more than 1 million views. The tiger hits cinemas this May.
सबका मुंह थोड़ी बंद कर सकते ना.
Not voting this season? Well, think again. Emotionfuls have come up with an enticing reason for you to get inked. This election special video won accolades from viewers on YouTube. Many dubbed it as an eye-opener video on voting.
अगर आपको भी मुर्गा नहीं बनना, तो एब्सेंट मत रहिए, वोट कीजिए.
Alia Bhatt Arjun Kapoor starrer 2 State is in news once again, and this time the reason being the song Chandaniya. The soul-stirring song in the voice of K. Mohan and Yashita Sharma had lakhs of views. Get ready for Clan Wars as the upcoming game of Clash of Clans is here. Clan Wars was the most searched video in the gaming section and fetched over 1.7 billion hits.
Yep, we got Clan Wars. Now you got Clan
Wars. Roaming around Rajasthan, roadies have now reached Barmer district of the state. MTV Roadies episode 5 was among the most popular videos of the week, getting nearly 4 lakh views.
करेंगे क्या? उसके लिए मेरे एक दोस्त हैं, आप मिलना चाहते हैं उनसे? गुरुजी! Welcome to Roadies X1.
Now let's take a look at what feedback we got from you over the past week. Well, that's all that we have for you today. Join us again next week, same time, same place. Do write to us and share your views via email at ddnewsconnect@gmail.com or on our Twitter handle @ddnewslive.
But before we log off, we leave you with this week's interesting video we searched for you. Thank you and goodbye.
เขาจะได้อะไร ถ้าเขาทำแบบนี้ทุกวันเขาจะไม่ได้อะไรเลย ไม่ได้รวยขึ้น ไม่ได้ออกทีวี ไม่มีใครรู้จัก ไม่ได้มีชื่อเสียงที่มากขึ้น เพราะสิ่งที่เขาได้คือได้แค่ความรู้สึกได้เห็นความสุขได้เข้าใจได้ความรักได้ในสิ่งที่เงินซื้อไม่ได้ได้โลกที่สวยงามกว่าเดิมในชีวิตคุณอะไรคือสิ่งที่คุณต้องการมากที่สุด